Looking ahead to the trading week beginning March 17th, early in the week, we get a piece of data that could help stem the stock sell-off we've seen, and that's U.S. retail sales. Now, this is February retail sales data, and it's expected to be up substantially from last month's data, which was negative. And a deviation from those expectations could help stocks form a base or even recover from the 4 straight weeks of lower prices that we've seen in the S&P, the Nasdaq, and the Russell. Even the Dow has been down 3 of the last 4 weeks, and gold has rallied for the 2nd straight week and the 10th of the last 11 weeks, reaching a new all-time high this past week in a clear flight to safety bid. This is the last release of pre-tariff retail sales data, so it takes on that added importance. This coming week is also a central bank week where we get decisions from the Bank of Japan, the Bank of England, the People's Bank of China, and the US FOMC. In reverse order, the FOMC is expected to leave rates unchanged. The People's Bank of China is expected to cut the reserve requirement ratio and interest rates. The Bank of Japan is expected to leave rates unchanged, as is the Bank of England. Any deviation from these expectations could affect interest rates as well and currencies as we look at a U.S. 10-year note yield that has dropped 30 basis points since the inauguration and a dollar that has fallen in 5 of the last 6 weeks for a total drop of 5.8% in the aggregate. Earnings and data for this coming week. Earnings are slowing as we approach the end of the quarter. Only 46 companies with over $1 billion in market cap are reporting this coming week, including Accenture, Micron Technologies, Jabil, Nike, FedEx, NEO, General Mills, Lennar, the home builder, Darden Restaurants, and Carnival Cruises. Data on Sunday night from China, we get industrial production, China's unemployment rate, and the monthly press conference from China's National Bureau of Statistics. Monday, Canadian housing starts and U.S. retail sales data. Tuesday, we get German and EU ZEW economic sentiment indexes, U.S. housing starts and building permits, and a Bank of Japan rate decision. Wednesday, Eurozone CPI and wages, the FOMC rate decision, and the People's Bank of China rate decision. Thursday, employment data in the UK, the Bank of England rate decision, and in the US, existing home sales, Philly Fed Manufacturing Index, and of course, jobless claims. And finally, Friday, we get Canadian retail sales data to finish out the week.